A global love affair. We can't stop, won't stop. They're cheap, they're fast, they're universally beloved. What's not to love about instant noodles? From bustling streets of Bangkok to college dorms in California, the siren song of the instant noodle is irresistible. But beneath the comforting broth and salty allure lies a hidden truth. This culinary convenience comes at a cost, one that our global society is only beginning to understand. We've all been there. Late nights studying, a rumbling stomach, and a beckoning pack of instant noodles. But what was once a guilty pleasure is fast becoming a global dietary staple. This video delves into the dark side of this love affair, exploring the consequences of our insatiable appetite for instant noodles. Get ready to have your noodles rocked. But hey, before we proceed, kindly subscribe to our channel and like the video if you haven't already. Let's talk numbers, folks. The global instant noodle market is a force to be reckoned with. In 2022 alone, over 116.56 billion servings were sold worldwide. That's enough noodles to circle the earth over 4,000 times. The epicenter of this noodle mania? East Asia. Countries like China, Japan, and South Korea consume billions of servings annually. But the love for instant noodles knows no borders, with the United States, Brazil, and Nigeria also emerging as major consumers. These numbers paint a clear picture. We are a planet obsessed with instant noodles. What exactly are we slurping down with such gusto? The magic of instant noodles lies in their simplicity. Dried noodles, a flavor packet, and boiling water are all that stand between you and a steaming bowl of comfort. But delve deeper, and the ingredient list reads like a chemistry experiment gone wrong. Preservatives, artificial flavorings, and MSG are just the tip of the iceberg. These processed ingredients, while enhancing taste and shelf life, wreak havoc on our bodies. High sodium content, unhealthy fats, and a lack of nutritional value are all hallmarks of the instant noodle diet. The consequences of our noodle obsession are no longer theoretical. Studies from across the globe are sounding the alarm on the health risks associated with excessive instant noodle consumption. In India, a study linked regular instant noodle intake to an increased risk of metabolic syndrome. Meanwhile, researchers in China found a correlation between instant noodle consumption and an elevated risk of cardiovascular disease. These findings are echoed in studies from Nigeria, Brazil, France, and beyond. The evidence is mounting. Our love affair with instant noodles is a recipe for disaster. The true cost of our instant noodle addiction extends beyond individual health. The environmental impact of producing billions of disposable noodle cups annually is staggering. From palm oil deforestation to plastic waste, our planet is choking on our insatiable appetite for convenience. Furthermore, the affordability and accessibility of instant noodles raise concerns about food security and nutritional deficiencies, particularly in low-income communities. When instant noodles become a primary food source, essential nutrients are often lacking, leading to a host of health problems. The convenience we crave is fueling a global health crisis. Breaking up is hard to do, especially when it comes to our beloved instant noodles. But just like any toxic relationship, it's time to acknowledge the harm and prioritize our well-being. This isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that nourish our bodies and our planet. Start by reducing your instant noodle intake. Can you swap out 1 or 2 weekly servings for a healthier alternative? Remember, every small change counts. And who knows? You might even discover a newfound love for cooking and exploring new flavors. Transitioning away from instant noodles doesn't have to be an arduous journey. Embrace the power of small, sustainable changes. Experiment with quick and easy recipes using fresh ingredients. A simple stir-fry with brown rice noodles or a hearty lentil soup can be just as satisfying and infinitely healthier. Explore local farmers markets for fresh produce and support sustainable food systems. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive or time-consuming. With a little creativity and planning, you can nourish your body without sacrificing taste or convenience. The time for passive consumption is over. We, as global citizens, have the power to demand better from our food system. Support policies that promote sustainable agriculture, reduce plastic waste, and improve access to healthy, affordable food for all. Hold food manufacturers accountable for the nutritional value and environmental impact of their products. Vote with your wallets by choosing brands that prioritize sustainability and transparency. Together, we can create a world where convenience doesn't come at the cost of our health or the health of our planet. Let's shift our focus from instant gratification to the long-term rewards of a mindful, sustainable approach to food. Rediscover the joy of cooking, the vibrant flavors of fresh ingredients, and the power of food to connect us to our communities and the earth. The future of food is in our hands. Let's choose nourishment over convenience, sustainability over instant gratification. Let's rewrite the narrative, one delicious, healthy bite at a time. The journey starts now.